Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me DJI Osmo Nano, and now I'm going to show you how to install SD card in this device. So guys, basically you have inside your device 100 maybe 28 gigabytes, but you have 107 gigabytes free. So you have just, you always have a pre-installed memory, and this memory you have inside of the camera, inside of this block, right? Because here we have two blocks, but we can we can install CD card. To install CD card, just open the cover on this part of the camera with the screen. As you can see here, we have on the right side this DJI. So on the left we have button, but on the right we have DJI print. So just open the cover here in this way as I showed. Okay, and here we have USB-C port where we charging our device, and where we have just CD card port. And this way I showed you. Insert CD card and press till here click sound. Sorry, I have short nails. I should use something. Okay, cool. That's it. Now you can open it, and as you can see on CD card I have 22 gigabytes free. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.